In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable YouTube notifications on your computer. Disabling YouTube notifications on desktop is important for maintaining productivity and focus, as constant alerts can be highly distracting and interrupt workflow. To do this, simply head into your YouTube. On your home page, scroll down onto the option of Settings. Select on this second option of Notifications. Inside the section of General, on the desktop notifications, make sure to disable this option. When turned off, you won't be able to receive if you are not watching YouTube. This enhances privacy by preventing personal interests or sensitive information from being displayed publicly. That's how easy it is to turn off YouTube notifications on desktop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.